Welcome to Sara's kitchen. Let's start. Heat the oil, add mixed spices, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, cloves and star anise. Wait for few seconds and add on sliced onions. Just saute them until lightly browned. Stir them well for few seconds. Now you can add on chopped tomatoes. Add sliced green chilies. Now you can add some sliced pandan leaves. It is not only giving fragrance to the meat, also retain the meat's moisture, leaving them nice, juicy when cooked. And add on the curry leaves as well. Saute them until lightly browned again. You can add on ginger garlic and CANDLENUTS paste. You may know it as buah keras. Continue stirring for 2 minutes and you may add chicken pieces now. Leave them for another few minutes. Now time to add some coriander powder and a few teaspoons of khaskhas powder. Well, continue by adding some chicken curry masala of your favorite choice. It could be anything. Mix them well. And now it's time to close the pot for some time. Now it's time to add my top most secret ingredient, which is introduced by my late grandpa. He made the perfect chicken curry ever, and the reason is the cashew nut paste makes your curry even more thicker and flavorful. Now it's time to add on some water and saute them well to mix with the masala. It's now time to add on some potato cuts. It's absolutely optional. You may even make curries without potatoes. Just leave it blank. Now slow cook the curry for around 10 minutes. To enhance the taste or thickness, you may add on some coconut milk. And now it's time for the final touch. Add some salt. The specialty of chicken curry is slow cooking. Do not rush or hurry to finish up cooking. Finally, you can garnish the curry with some fresh coriander leaves. This absolutely gives you the wonderful results in terms of the taste and aroma of the curry. So, your chicken curry is all ready now. This is best served with rice or thosai. Try them out and give your feedback. Happy trying! No one is a born cook. Only learn by doing it.